Ever wondered what B4 service in Mercedes involves and why it's so important? Well, it's an integral part of the Mercedes Flexible Service System, or FSS for short. This system divides maintenance into A and B type services, alternating roughly every 10,000 miles or 1 year of ownership. The B4 service is quite significant as it marks the fourth major service interval in your Mercedes lifespan. Typically, it occurs around 80,000 miles or 8 years of operation and about a year after an A4 service visit. So now that we know when a B4 service is due, let's see what it includes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights from Honest Mechanic Colorado. B4 service is more than your regular maintenance. It's a comprehensive check that keeps your car running optimally. First off, the technician does an air filter replacement. This ensures that your engine breathes clean air, free from harmful particulates. Next, he will replace the spark plugs, which are essential for igniting the fuel-air mixture in your engine, keeping your car's performance at its peak. He will also clean and re-grease the sunroof guide rails. This might seem like a minor task, but it helps ensure a smooth operation and longevity of your sunroof. Then, it's time for synthetic oil change and oil filter replacement. These are vital for maintaining the lubrication of your engine's moving parts, reducing wear and tear. The cabin air filter replacement ensures that you and your passengers breathe clean air inside the car. The mechanic will also check the fluids, tire pressure, and brake components, maintaining the safety and efficiency of your ride. Finally, the last step is to reset the maintenance service counter, setting a new benchmark for your next service. Each of these tasks plays a crucial role in maintaining the performance and reliability of your Mercedes. Now that we know what's included in a B4 service, let's understand why it matters. Each task in a B4 service contributes to the overall performance and longevity of your vehicle. For example, replacing the air filter optimizes engine performance, while a synthetic oil change reduces engine wear and tear. Checking fluids ensures your car's systems run smoothly, and inspecting brake components helps maintain your vehicle's safety. Remember, timely B4 service is not just beneficial. It's essential for maintaining the health of your Mercedes. To sum up, B4 service is a crucial part of your Mercedes maintenance schedule. It's part of the flexible service system, due around the 80,000-mile mark, and includes essential tasks like air filter replacement and oil change. So keep your Mercedes in top shape with timely B4 service. Your car will thank you for it.